So we're in a really cool project here in the West Village on Cornelia Street. This project is unique for many reasons. It's a duplex apartment. We reconfigured opening, integrated it, and there's a lot of really nice details that I want to review with you guys. Starting here in the entrance, we've done all paneled walls with unique Pharaoh and ball colors throughout. These paneled walls will be a theme that continues into the ceilings of this open space. If you look at the ceilings, we've created a coffered ceiling with fall beams, paneled ceilings, a thin crown. It's a nice English style. The entire living / kitchen area will be wallpapered. We're in the process of finishing our wallpaper installation right now. A fun detail is where you see this outlet right here. This was originally a spiral staircase to go downstairs. It made the space very difficult to use because of how narrow this spiral staircase was. What we've done is we've closed up this staircase, structurally opened a whole new staircase that really integrates the flow of this apartment. We're going to come back to the kitchen and the millwork soon. But what I want to show you is this couple just had a baby while we were renovating. We've created nice custom child gates here and then downstairs as well. This apartment went from a 1-bedroom with a large walk-in closet in the location that you see here of the staircase to a multiple bedrooms apartment with, you're going to see some of the bedrooms downstairs. Come in here. This is going to be the primary bedroom. We have nice millwork that's going to come and fill up this entire room. All these colors that you're seeing are all Pharaoh and ball colors. Ceilings, walls, all painted throughout with Pharaoh and ball. As I mentioned, it's a unique project because it's very much an English style home. If you come into this bathroom, wooden toilet seat. When was the last time you've seen this? All waterworks, tiles, plumbing fixtures. We've done nice marble niches with a marble tub deck. One of the many cool details that we have in this project is a lot of hidden storage. This is a wallpapered bathroom. We've created a hidden storage in here for toilet paper and so on and so forth to maximize space of the cavity that we actually had behind the wall. Let's go out into the kitchen. This is an inset style kitchen. We've purposely taken it off the beams to create the look of furniture rather than a fully integrated kitchen. Inside, we finished the cabinets with plum interiors. I think these colors play very nice against the nice soft on the outside with some of the drama on the inside. We've just installed the countertops. We have some spice niches here that I think are going to be pretty cool once they fill them in, and also functional. Look at this pantry. Pocket door pantries here for all their use. And this is a really nice detail. Adjustable shelves without the pinholes. The old-fashioned way. In here, she's going to have additional storage with roll-out trays, tray dividers, and so on and so forth. The laundry room is going to be right behind us. We're going to have a millwork item that's going to go in here for folding and whatnot, washing machine, and storage that are going to fill the rest of this space. Going out here is going to be their TV area. Following the design of the kitchen, we brought it out to the outside here. Again, same adjustable shelf structure throughout. Look at this mechanism. All custom millwork with a metal mesh inside. Here will be the TV. With bifold doors. Again, plum interiors. storage throughout. The entire project has millwork that goes pretty much from room to room once we finish it up. The client is going to move in probably sometimes next week, so we have a lot to do before they move in. Let me take you guys downstairs. Now this, as you could see, this cutout in the floor is a hatch door. There is an access here to a ejector pump. So we are now below level, and to do so and create a bathroom, we had to create an ejector pump here because the waste lines are well above us. So over here is the access to it, and this is strictly to service this bathroom, which is another cool bathroom. We've installed all custom tiles, wall panels, and wallpaper with a water closet, we're going to finish the wallpaper hopefully by tomorrow and then install the rest of the accessories. Over here is going to be the kids' play area, the tent. Here will be our bed. This is going to be a nice reading nook that we're going to have underneath here. It's a bench. We're a day bed. We're still designing this portion. Over here is going to be the home office. We've done a lot of jib doors, frameless doors that are all integrated and built into the walls. And this is throughout the entire space. You'll see that over here as well. Additional storage. This is going to be their Peloton room. Again, very cool project, all Pharaoh and ball paint colors. A lot of nice details. Definitely a different project.